In this video, I will show you how to use the HubSpot sequences. If you want to automatically follow up with your leads using timed emails and reminders, this feature helps you save time and stay consistent with your outreach. First, open the CRM in HubSpot and go to the Sales section from the left sidebar. Then click on Sequences. Once you open it, click on Create Sequence to start building your workflow. Now give your sequence a clear name and start adding steps, such as follow-up emails and task reminders. You can set time delays between each email, personalize messages using contact details, and make your outreach feel more natural. After creating the sequence, save it and enroll contacts directly from a contact or deal record. Once enrolled, HubSpot will automatically send emails at the scheduled times and remind you when manual follow-ups are needed. You can also track responses inside the sequence dashboard, pause a contact if they reply, or unenroll them if the deal is no longer active. This helps you manage leads more efficiently without missing any follow-ups. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.